Hey everybody, today is Manicure Monday. Today is gonna be one of those really hard days for me. I just stuck my son in kindergarten for the very first time, and it's very emotional for me. He never did go to pre-K, so he never got to experience the school environment. So if I don't look somewhat presentable, that's because I've been crying. Today's just been one of those days, so I'm trying to push through this video. And yeah, so if you are moms out there and sending your kids for the first time to school, you know how it is. So yeah, I have one at home, as you can tell. My daughter here, she's going to be in the video today, and she's going to help me. So in the meantime, we're going to get on with this, okay? Oh my gosh, hot. Oh. Oh, that was hot. Well, welcome back. So today we are doing, as you can tell from the title, DIY fan brush nail art. And that involves this amazing fan brush. And it's from Wet n Wild. It is so soft. Oh, it really is so soft. This is in the makeup aisle. Wet n Wild is the brand. And I love it. I also bought one of those angled liner nail brush, or angled liner brush, and I'm going to use it on my nails because you can use this little piece. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like so thin and tiny that you can use it for like the increase of your eyes. But I use these for my nails, and you'll see why when I do my video. And if you see my video tomorrow, you will see that I have one of these again. I bought two. One for my nails and one for my makeup, because I am not putting acetone on my face after using this. So what you'll be needing is a fan brush, an angle liner brush. I have two different types of nail polish remover. I have the regular nail polish remover, and then I have the 100% acetone nail polish remover. And the reason for the acetone is if you get it on the edges of your fingernails and your skin, you take the acetone without it somewhat trying to ruin your nail art. You just take it and you brush it along the edges. You've seen my other videos, so you would know. Also need a square foil, or as large as you want it. Top and clear, top base coat, base coat and top coat. Mama can't speak today. Two nail polish, a base coat and a top coat for the nail art design. And I went and actually bought these. I have two different brands here. I have a solid black Wet n Wild, which I don't know how this black goes. I might have to double coat. And then I have a very shimmery, glittery LA Colors gel. And it's Extreme Shine gel-like polish. So we'll see how this applies. And it does say apply 2 coats if you just want a solid base. What does this say? Oh, it just says ingredients. Okay. So got these two. And obviously, if you haven't taken your polish off, you need cotton balls. I really hate cotton balls. Mama don't like cotton balls.
I like them.
You're weird.
You're weirdo.
Alright, so I'm going to be right back. I'm going to remove my nail polish, as you can tell, and trim down my nails and get them all ready and set, okay? So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. And so what we're doing right now is we're going to start with the base coat. So it's going to be a really quick video. I'll probably just fast forward through all the polishing parts, and then when it comes to doing the fan part, I'm going to slow it down and we'll talk you through it, okay? Now we're going on to the design. The fan art brush. So soft. So what we're gonna do is take a dab, and we're just gonna dab it onto the foil. So it's gonna be like that. Let me see. Sorry about my light. If you guys like my light, let me know, and I'll keep it. But if not, I will try to work around with something. So you're just gonna dab the edges. You're gonna dab the edges and be a little sparse. Don't put like a lot. You just want to dab it. So it'll look like that. And so what you do is you're gonna just take the side. You're gonna brush it over. And then you're gonna just go to the other side and brush that back over. I'll make it look like. Oh, it's so glossy, you can't see it. Quit focusing on the foil. Damn thing. Okay, that one is better. So I'll finish it and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So that's pretty much it. Actually, I was glad that this wasn't a fail. I was gonna be really disappointed. And I saw this on YouTube a while back, and I honestly forgot about it. So when I was going through my photos the other day, I found it, and I was just like, hey, look at that. Something I could probably try doing. Well, it worked out. Yay! So what I'm doing is just cleaning the brush right now. But But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it because I know I did. I loved it. That was freaking awesome. I enjoyed it. I know I did. So I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I could put some shine on it. If you can't see because my video, I'm sorry. Focus sucks. Oh well. Just trying to keep myself busy today, as like I said earlier. My son's in school now. No, I'm really getting old. I'm only 26. I just want him to stay home. Forever. Like, when people say... literally, when people say, don't blink because sooner or later they're going to be gone, today is that day for me. I regret not taking the time out of my day and actually cherish every moment I had with him. It was just one of those, since you're stay-at-home mom, you kind of live with it day to day. And it's just, I don't know. When you're a stay-at-home mom, even stay-at-home moms out there who's watching me, it gets exhausting most of the times. Believe me when I say this. Please take the time. Spend more time with your children now as babies, even as toddlers, even if they are hellions to you day to day or some days when you just want peace and quiet. Enjoy those little moments because they literally go by. They really do. So I know this is supposed to be a nail art manicure and everything, but I've also wanted to let you know, cherish those moments with your babies. I am going to smother my son when he gets home with just loves and hugs and probably some crackers and cookies. Here's the nail art. It's kind of hard to tell because of my lights, but it's like a little cheetah print or something like that. It's like spiky. Pretty cool. I'll put a picture, right after the video ends, I'll put a picture up and show you how everything turned out. I can't get my thumb to go move. Which one? Let's go with my ring finger. Come on. I'll just do a dang picture. I seriously can't speak. Today is definitely one of those days for me. And stay tuned. I'm supposed to be getting an Ipsy today. My husband ordered a mystery bag from the Ipsy app, so I'm going to probably be doing that if I ever get it today. I'm just waiting. But I hope you like this video. If you're not following me on Instagram, here's my link below. And I will I honestly... I'm always on there updating. You can always see my life. You can follow me on what I plan on doing next videos and everything. Like, I'll tell you what I'm doing tomorrow. Or on the weekends, I'll tell you, hey, look, I'm doing this for Monday's videos. Or something like that. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Because if you don't like it, that's okay. Thumbs down. It's not going to hurt my feelings. It's not going to hurt anybody else's feelings. There's certain people out in the world that just don't like nail art. Sorry, I was told to be funnier. I'm trying. I really am. I'm trying today. Alright, well, I hope you like this video. Honestly, this tutorial was a achievable nail art. Finally! At all my other videos. It's finally achievable. Not a fail. It's not a fail. I'm so excited. Alright, so yeah, if you don't have one of these, go and get one to get this nail art. And it's that simple. You don't have to have one of these little angle pencils. I just do it because it's a lot easier to get the edges. So like I said, I hope you like this video. I know what's going on and I'm just rambling. But please have a blessed day. Enjoy your kids. Treat them like treats. Give them candy. I know my daughter's going to hear me say this and she's going to beg for candy now. Oh well. So yeah, cherish every moment, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and catch me tomorrow, or maybe later, depending on if I get my Ipsy bag today. Oh god. Alright, so have a great one, and I hope you liked this video. Comment below what you thought, and how your day went, and tell me what your reactions were for your first day of for your child's first day of school. I seriously can't speak. I can tell you, I bawled my eyes out. I tried to stay strong for him, but he cried, and I started crying. Yeah. I finally stopped crying to do this video. I'm probably going to start crying again after us, just talking about it.